Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Realpage property management software. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Realpage property management, and just have to click on this first website. That's right. And right here, you just have to contact the company or contact for a support. Okay, you can also register. Okay, so you click on the register option at the top right, and then here you just have to input your email address and then the CC email address. And then if you have a code, so you just have to put here the code. So individual registration is required, starting with the registered current company email address. So since we don't have a company email address, what we're going to do here is to discuss their tool. So we have demand platforms, G5 marketing, insurance, Knox CRM, online leasing, property management software, resident platform, resident screening, revenue management, spend management, and utility management. So first, maximize occupancy with the Realpage demand, enhance demand forecasting, target ad, and streamline listing all in one platform that drives efficiency. Next is the G5 marketing. So here, increase visibility and occupancy with G5's multifamily marketing solutions, from digital advertising to custom website, attract quality leads with data-driven strategies. Okay, so here we have the G5 multifamily marketing solutions. Okay, that's right. So you'd be able to see here the information. We also have the apartment website design. So professional website design from the apartment experts. Okay, so here, show off your property and generate leads 24/7. Optimize your website with a G5 and cut leads cost, and then 60% of leases are initiated. Okay, so for the captive convert, we have mobile responsive design, rich consumer experience, real-time pricing, quick conversions, and all-in-one solutions. Okay, so going back here, let's proceed to the insurance. So you can protect your properties and residents with the Realpage's insurance solutions, simplify operations with renters insurance, and security deposit alternatives that reduce liability. Next is Knox CRM. Okay, so boost your leasing team's productivity with Knox CRM. Use call intelligence for smarter conversations and 24/7 support with the AI virtual agent for seamless leasing. Next is the online leasing. So Realpage's online leasing platform simplifies every step from lead generation to signing, save time, reduce errors, and boost occupancy for multifamily properties. Okay, next is the property management software. So streamline documents management, maintenance, and financials with the Realpage's one site. So you can boost efficiency, productivity, and resident satisfaction through user-friendly tools trusted by multifamily leaders. Okay, so here, optimize, automate. So realize efficiency with cross-property performance and data advantages. That's right. So optimize, automate, and centralize your property management operations. So the next one is we have the resident platform. So deliver an exceptional resident experience for renters by streamlining leasing, moving, rent payments, and renter rewards with Loft from Realpage. Next is the resident screening. So make faster, more confident leasing decisions with Realpage resident screening, prevent fraud, and screen tenants with data-driven background checks and rental history insights. Next is we have the revenue management. So only Realpage offers precision revenue management through proven, cycle-tested, disciplined analytics that balance supply and demand to maximize multifamily revenue growth. Next is spend management. So control property spending with Realpage's spend management, streamline purchasing, invoicing, and vendor management in one easy-to-use platform. Next, utility management. So reduce utility costs and improve billing accuracy with Realpage's utility management, manage energy usage, streamline billing, and improve sustainability efforts. So let's go to the utility management solutions. Okay, so take control of energy conservation and billing at your properties with tools that help you operate. Okay, so the utility management solutions delivers savings and conserve energy. The next one is the spend management. So it is the one solution to help keep everyone on the same page. So drive collaboration, mobile app for approvals, corporate or site-based options, and everyone wins. Okay, so here you can simplify with the Ops Buyer Copilot, and then we also have different tips right here. Okay, so next we have the revenue management. Okay, so let me just click on this one. So why choose Realpage AI Revenue Management? So here, revenue outperformance, proven 2 to 4% outperformance to market across all economic cycles. Of course, optimized with confidence, so transparent and straightforward recommendations that leverage AI modeling to strategically balance the rent and occupancy. Minimize vacancies, so align lease expirations and pricing strategies to reduce vacant days, align with asset strategy, configuration tailored to each site's specific strategy, and empower unit amenities. Appropriately set amenity values to allow units to move at similar velocity and reduce vacancies, and adapt to market dynamics to stay agile with data insights and advanced forecasting tools. So everyone benefits. Prospects and residents, we have leasing teams, managers and operations. That's right. We have owners, user controlled decision making, managed by exception, identify and address outliers, and advanced reporting. Now, your decision, your way, and then efficiency and visibility. We also have the key capabilities to drive results right here. So, revenue optimization, amenity revenue management, lease expiration management, and portfolio level insights. Now, one major advantage of using the Realpage property management software is its ability to centralize and automate essential tasks, like saving property managers significant time and effort. It handles everything from rent collection and lease management to maintenance requests and accounting, all in one platform. So, this reduces the need for multiple tools and minimizes the risk of errors, making operations smoother and more efficient for both managers and tenants. Another benefit is its data-driven insights and scalability. Realpage provides detailed analytics and reporting, helping property managers make smarter decisions about pricing, occupancy, and expenses. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.